Check this one out. This is an interesting one. We had one come in today, and I've had this happen actually about, well, every couple months, it seems. Here's the deal. Here I have a couple files. You see we have a InDesign file, and we have a QuarkXPress file, right? A little backstory. The Quark file, the customer was complaining they couldn't open it, and they want to convert it to InDesign anyway. They're using our conversion tool, QXP marks, to convert Quark to InDesign. So I immediately realized the first thing to do with any tricky files, any unknown files, actually any file that comes in, you should first check it with the pre-flight software like our Markzware flight check, which you see here on our web page, which will check files to tell you what's inside of them like an x-ray before opening them and printing them or outputting them or working on them, right? We take the Quark file and we drop it on flight check. Flight check's a standalone application, does not require anything to work. I don't need QuarkXPress to check a Quark file. I don't even have Quark, a licensed copy on this machine anymore. And look at that. What do we see right away? We see it says .qxp, but it's actually a TIFF file. No wonder the file wouldn't open for the customer. But it's tricky on a Mac because it tells you it's a Quark file. You even get a little preview of that shrub there in the middle of the desert. But it's very clearly a TIFF file. And that's the only thing in the file, of course, because it is an image. And now we know the problem. What you can now go and do, you change this extension to .tiff. It'll now open in preview, and it acts like an image file, like it is, right? Now, let's check out the InDesign file. We'll drop the InDesign file on flight check. You see where this is going, but it's important to always check, because what you check is what you get, or what you check is what you have. Now do the same thing with the other file, and you see right away it's not an InDesign file. So even though it says InDesign, and it looks like InDesign, it's not. It's a ping. You can see right here. So now we know we just go change the extension over there. So I want to use flight check on any file that comes in. It's very easy to standalone application. You set up the ground controls to tell you what to check for. But as you saw, there's also useful things just with the preview and with like the X-ray capabilities to see what's inside the file to ascertain if it's going to be problematic or not. So you don't even need the ground controls in all cases, but it's very helpful to warn you of things like resolution, has images been scaled, are unsupported PANTONE colors used. See here, unsupported PANTONE colors used, yes or no, yes or no. We take an InDesign file and check it again with flight check, now with the ground controls activated here. See, we can get individual information on the text frames, how they're used. But if I switch from inventory mode to pre-flight mode, you'll see that 1 or 5 colors are unsupported, and we see exactly which ones. We get a preview, and we can even zoom right in there. We can see exactly which page. And just so you see, flight check will also do the same type of checking with PDF files. So it's very popular, of course, delivering PDFs, and we can check the PDF and let you know various things about the file, like, hey, look, you know, that image is not high resolution, and you can actually click Edit in Acrobat, and it will launch Acrobat and take you right in so you can get to work with, say, PitStop to fix the problems. So that's how you can use flight check to find these tricky files that come in that you're not sure what's going on. Drop it on flight check. You'll find out really fast with a little bit of digging. It's like, wow, that was the problem. Wrong file extension. Or wow, that's the problem. It's a low-res image or an unsupported Pantone color or a type 1 font. The list goes on what you can check for. So check out Markzware.com today for flight check. Over there on the product page, you see some of the reviews. The product's just out. It's been totally rebuilt from the ground up. It's just out with a new rendition of this fantastic standalone application to check your files. You click right here on the demo, and you can download a free 30-day demonstration version. Just fill in that. You'll get a free 30-day version, full working. So check it out today over on Markzware.com. Flight check. David Dilling from Markzware, wishing you a fantastic day. Take care.